Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Before we get started, if you have any video requests, send me an email to heather@twistmystitch.com. You can also find my social media links in the description below. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work the standing double crochet in the round. So I just finished up my round with a slip stitch to the beginning stitch. I have not worked a chain or anything. All I need to do is lift my slip stitch up as high as my double crochet is going to be. Then you want to hold on to that loop that is on your hook. Hold on to it really tight. Then you're going to take and you are going to twist the loop around your hook, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, making sure that you still are hanging on to that slip stitch loop. Then yarn over and work your double crochet as normal here. And I'm going to work the next double crochet just so that you can see a little bit better. So that first stitch, the top loop is a little bit loose. You can adjust the height of your loop a little bit, but when you get around to the beginning of that row, you're just going to work through those top two loops of that double crochet, and the standing stitch makes it so that it's nice and beautiful and clean, and you can't even tell that that is the beginning of the round. So I'm back to the beginning of the round, and I am going to join to the top of that standing double crochet, and you will see how flawless that looks. Especially when you're working something like this. The chain 3 here made this look very wonky. I always prefer to do that standing double crochet. You can't even tell the difference between the standing double crochet and the regular double crochets next to it. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.